Good morning students. In this video we are discussing about the searching in array. So there are two types of searching in array. One is the sequential searching or the linear searching, and second is the binary searching. And what is the meaning of searching is some values will be stored into the array and user will input any value, and whether this value is present into the existing array or not, that is called the searching. So what the question is saying, if the value is found, so program should print search successful, otherwise search not successful or unsuccessful, right? So what is the meaning of searching? It is clear to everyone. Some values are stored into the array and user is inputting any value from the keyboard, so it has to check what the program will do. It will check whether the inputted value is present into the array or not, right? So what we will do for that one, public class xyz void abc, it is a function name. It is a no need to write it, because what we are doing, we are storing 5 values into the array A. So this line is known as a declaration, creation and storing. All the three things are happening here. Array is going to declare as a integer data type, and how many values it is storing? 5, right? Then object, I am creating here object. Then statement is enter number to be searched, means user will input the number, whether that number is present here in this array or not. int num is equal to object for next int. This is a statement for inputting the number. Whatever the number will be inputted by the user, that will store into the num. I am taking one variable here, flag is equal to 0, right? Flag is equal to 0. Then now see searching for int I is equal to 0, I less than is equal to 4, I plus plus. If num means inputted number is being found at 0 location of an array A, so what we are doing? We are doing flag is equal to 1. Mean initially we have taken flag is equal to 0. So this variable we have taken, flag is a variable we have taken for storing the value. If the inputted value is present into the array, flag will be 1. If we will not found the value, then flag will remain with its initial value, that is 0, right? Yeah, see. So if num is equal to a0, flag is equal to 1, right? And after that I think it should be break. Okay, if value is being found, so it should be break. No need to search further if we got the value, right? Then again num is equal to a1, then num is equal to a2, num is equal to a3, num is equal to a4. So we can do dry run here. Suppose dry run, we are taking inputted value. Suppose num is being inputted by the user 2, right? So what will happen? See, I num means 2. 2 is equal to a0. At a0 we are having 5. See, at a0 we are having 5. This is 1 index, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. These are the indexes. So num means 2. 2 is equal to A0. A0 means 5. 2 is equal to 5. No. Right? Then next value, I is equal to, first was 0. Now I will become 1. Num means 2 is equal to A1. A1 means 2 is equal to 8. No. Right? Then I is equal to 2. Num means 2. 2 is equal to A2. Yes. So as soon as we will get because initially flag was 0. Right? So at this point we got the value. So when this condition is satisfying, flag is becoming 1. Flag has become 1. Break means we will exit from the loop. So this is the closing of the loop. Loop closing. Loop closing. Then after coming out from the loop, we will check flag is equal to 1. Yes, flag is equal to 1. So SOP search successful, else search not successful. Right? So in this case we are getting the value. Suppose inputted value was 10. Right? Okay. Not present. If you see, this value 10 is not present in the array. So num is equal to this. No. 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 Because 10 is not there. Num is 10. So in this case, this condition will never satisfied and the flag will remain always 0. Because flag is becoming 1 in case of if we are finding the value into the array. So when we will come out from the loop, flag is equal to 1. No. SOP search not successful. For this value search successful. And for this value search not success. Is it clear to everyone? Thank you.